If you snore and have ever thought about getting one of these devices on Amazon to save money, I highly recommend that you consult a dentist first. I have seen many patients use these devices and then come in after years and now none of their teeth come together or touch. This patient had been using one of those devices for a couple years, and now there are spaces in between his teeth and none of his teeth come together. He's unable to chew properly. He thought he was saving money, but now it'll take about a year and an Invisalign and between $6,000 and $7,000 to fix this.